Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another reaction video. Hi. So I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video to the group. I believe this is their name, ACE, A.C.E, and this is the music video to the song Higher. So I'm so happy, so excited. Ooh, I hope everyone had a good over the weekend who celebrate July the 4th, but for me that was June 19th. So I hope you guys had a nice weekend, because I did. Ugh, excuse me. Excuse me. Ooh, I like this. Everything looks so mystical. Oh, that was a nice shot. Yeah. I love that red latex short. Keep going higher. Oh, I like that. I want that jacket. Ooh. Okay. Love the artistic visual of this. We're going higher. Ooh. He looked like an animated character. And higher. Yeah, I'm going higher. Okay, so that was the group A's and that was the song Higher. I love the creative artistic direction that they went with that group. Beautiful boys. They're beautiful boys. Okay, I don't know which genre they're from. I don't remember. I need to look that up. This was very good. It was a very good video. And I believe I reacted to the Ace before, A.C.E. I think I reacted to one of their songs before. Never disappointed with the group, but I really love the artistic value, the artistic direction, the visual of this music video. It was very cute. It was very mixing a little bit of femininity with masculinity. You know, obviously the guys are very comfortable with who they are, but I love that mixture of both. Very good job. I really do like that. So thanks to the one who recommended me react to that. I really do appreciate it. I really enjoyed that music video. That was so beautiful. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who could do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.